Here I have TOSHIBA AT10-A, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the accessibility, and here you can find Talkback. So here you can enable it, and after that Talkback tutorial starts.
Talkback wants to enable Explore by Touch. When Explore by Touch is turned on, you can hear or see descriptions of what's under your finger or perform gestures to interact with the tablet. Cancel. OK.
So when you're in a Talkback mode, every action of yours will be accompanied with this with the words on your device being spoken out loud, because this feature is mostly made for people with blindness or some other vision problems who can't really see contents on the screen, and it works the way that it speaks them out loud. So for example, I tap here, I tap OK.
Accessibility tutorial. When Explore by Touch is turned on, you can touch the screen to learn what exit button. Settings.
Okay, so when you're in this Talkback mode, to operate you firstly have to select some action, and then to confirm it you have to double tap. So for example, you want to go to home screen.
Home.
So if you want to disable it, you go to settings.
Settings.
Double tap.
Settings. Apps. Showing accessibility.
Accessibility, double tap. Talkback, double tap.
On.
And that's how you can disable it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.